Hello viewers, wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year. I am going to start with next video on The Tempest, Act 3rd, Scene 3rd. In this video, I will cover from line number 50 to 60. Up to line number 50, we have read that some strange creatures have appeared on the before Alonso and others, and they are carrying a banquet which is left by them in front of them. So a beautiful table is laid on which very delicious food items are kept. And you can think that all these people are very hungry and tired, so they need some kind of refreshments. Sebastian has suggested that okay, although the strange creatures have disappeared, but whatever was required by us is left by them. So we should eat. So Sebastian has proposed to dine on on those eatables. But Alonso is afraid. He said that no, I will not eat this. So now it is the turn of Gonzalo. Gonzalo also is hungry. So he tries to convince Alonso that yes, we can have a party here. We can have all these eatables. So he tries to convince Alonso with some logic. He says that, Faith, sir, you need not fear. Line number 53, you can see, Faith, sir, you need not fear. When we were boys, who would believe that there were mountaineers, dew-lapped like bulls, whose throats had hanging at them wallets of flesh? He quotes some strange stories. He says that, sir, I just try to convince you that you need not be afraid of these strange creatures. Because just remember the stories of our childhood days. When we were young boys, we used to hear stories about a strange race of mountain people. These mountain people used to have big masses of flesh hanging at their throat. So these masses of flesh looked like big bags carrying tools. And this big flesh used to impart them the look of a bull, because bull also have a mass of flesh hanging at its neck, at its throat. So these people appeared, you can say, like bull. Nobody believed these stories at that time, or that there were such men whose heads stood in their breasts. Even other story, that there are some certain people in the world who are having their heads fixed in their breasts. Nobody believed these stories at that time, which now we find each putter out of 5 for 1 will bring us good warrant of. But nowadays, such stories can be, you can say, believed by us. Because every traveler, every person who is fond of traveling in foreign lands, he invests his money at very high interest rate, but he goes to foreign land and brings the proofs and evidences so that we can believe these stories. And nowadays, travelers tell us these strange stories with proofs and evidences. Just to bring proofs, they invest their money at high interest rate. So such things can happen. You need not worry. You can eat this. Indirectly, he does not say that you go and eat it, but indirectly he tries to convince. So Alonso says, I will stand to and feed. Line number 60, he says that, okay, now I will stand to and feast. Yani ke, I will start eating. I am ready now. Maybe Alonso is thinking that others are hungry and because of me they will also not eat. So being a kind gentleman, he just agrees to eat. Although my last, but he still is having some fear. He says that I will eat this, no problem. Maybe it is my last meal, but no matter. It does not matter if after eating this meal I may die. So it won't matter because I have lived the best part of my life. Since I feel the best is past. The best is past means I have lived the best part of my life. Yani ke the best part of my life is finished. Because rest of my life will be very painful because I have lost my only son and all. Okay. So therefore Alonso is ready to eat the meal. And then he invites others. Brother, my lord Gonzalo, you are just as close to my heart as my brother. The Duke also and everybody else, you all come and we shall eat. Stand to and do as we. Yani ki you will follow my Example, whatever I am going to do, you will do that. So they all are ready to eat now. As soon as they get ready, what happens? Thunder and lightning. Again, there is sound of storm. Thunder, lightning, very horrible sounds. Strong winds start to blow and all. Enter Ariel like a harpy. And just at this moment, Ariel again enters there like a harpy. Harpy is a, you can say, mythological monster. It is believed that this monster has a body shape like a woman, but it has wings. Okay, very big wings and claws like a bird. So it comes fluttering its wings and claps his wings upon the table. It just claps his wings upon the table. It means he pats the table with its wings and with a quaint device. Quaint device means it uses some strange trick and the banquet vanishes. So as soon as the harpy, Ariel in the shape of harpy appears there, fluttering wings, and it just pats the table with its wings. So with certain trick, all other people could not see what is happening. They could not even imagine what is happening. But the banquet vanish. Yani ki all the food stuff disappears. They were hungry, they wanted to eat. But now again the food stuff disappears. So all this is happening because of the superhuman prosperous tricks. So let us see what happens in our next video. Thank you. Stay safe. Keep smiling.